The foam roller is one of my favorite things to use. I use it all the time, whether I'm at home and I just feel tight after a workout, or I wake up and I slept weird and my shoulders are sore. So right now I'm rolling out my hamstrings. So if you feel tight, this is a great way to try to loosen the muscles. I recommend using a soft foam roller. You don't really want to use a hard one. But it just feels really good. It's like a little self-massage. Moving to the calves now, you would roll it the same way. Sometimes I turn the toes facing each other, so you're getting more to the inner calves, or you can go to the outer calves with going to the outside. And now I'm gonna get into the glutes. We're just getting into the hip or the IT band. This normally feels really good if you did like a heavy glute workout. You wanna stay even also and do the other side though. If you are doing one side, you could roll back to get more into the glutes. And now let's get into the quads. So this one I'm gonna be doing on the forearms. Just stay lifted in the shoulders. And yeah, this is just a great stretch. It's really like a self-massage after working out. Coming on to the other side, because you have to do both sides. Glute, IT, hip stretch. You could either move forward or back. This is definitely one of my favorites. I like to go into an extension. It feels just good to move your spine that way. And then get into rolling. Soft roller is definitely better, so the thoracic spine. You could move one way if one side's tighter than the other side. You could get up to the shoulders. But everyone should have a foam roller at home. Sometimes I like to just stay there. It just feels really good. And then I'm just gonna do a little mermaid stretch using the foam roller, stretching over. Normally do this on the reformer, but since I'm here and I have the foam roller, and then do a little rotate, stretching out. Gotta do the other side, moving the foam roller over to the other side. Great side stretch, lengthening. Counter stretch. And then rotate, stretch out. This is good. Butterfly. Stretching out the shoulders, getting into the scapula. You could fold forward or just stay back in the stretch. Forward, getting into the hips with the butterfly stretch. This is good for tight hips, just doing a little rotation from there. And that's it.